Hey tennis fans, I'm Grace Carter and this is Tennis Now, presented by Tennis Express. As the tour hits Monte-Carlo and tennis celebrates some wonderful news, we look at the top 10 tweets of the week that was. Number 10, let's start with the week's biggest news. Heck, it's probably the biggest news of the whole year. That's right, Serena hinted at that fact on Snapchat on April 19th, before deleting the snap and sending journalists worldwide into a frenzy. The news was later confirmed by a spokesperson from the Williams camp. Congratulations, Serena. Number 9. More important is the fact that Serena says she's already planning a comeback for 2018. You think she'll rocket right up to the top? Before you answer, remember this, Serena Williams is the person we're talking about here. Coming in at number 8, a live look at Serena's baby working on strokes in the womb. Cute, funny, weird, or all three? All right, number 7. Let's take a brief break from Serena and introduce you to Sarah Foster, the feisty wife of Tommy Haas, in our number 7 tweet. How about this reaction to Benoit Paire on Twitter? The Frenchman said he would have lost to a 70-year-old because he was playing so poorly when he lost to 39-year-old Haas in Monte-Carlo. Foster promptly replied, calling Paire a tool. 6 on our list is a tweet from Serena herself. She posted the following slightly cryptic tweet on Thursday morning, giving fans a glimpse into how she's feeling about her impending motherhood. At number 5 on the list, new mother and longtime friend and rival of Serena, Victoria Azarenka, chimes in, saying this is not about being competitors, it's about being women and mothers. 4th on the list, some nice words from Angelique Kerber. There were plenty of nice words from the tennis community, so we'll share a few more at number 4. Andy Roddick chimed in. And so did his wife, Brooklyn Decker. Here's Chris Evert. And there were these very nice words from ESPN's Chris Fowler. Coming in at number 3, Wimbledon congratulates Serena, and it looks like they've picked out the perfect outfit for the baby. 2nd on our list is great news from Sloane Stephens. She took her first steps. Can a return to tennis be far behind? The former world number 11 hasn't played since last year's Olympics and is recovering from left foot surgery. And our top tweet of the week has to go to Trayvon Free, who humorously summed up what Twitter was thinking in a clean, well-organized tweet. Well, there you have it, our top 10 tweets of the week, celebrating Serena Williams' pregnancy and a few other things. Hope you enjoyed them. We'll see you next time here on Tennis Now.